In slide 2 and slide 3, what we're going to do here is we're going to look at the subject. We have rule of thirds, framing, leaning lines, scale, grouping, isolation, break, and pattern. And we're going to take those and we're going to not only define it, draw it, but also find it online. So let's do the first one together, rule of thirds. First we're going to define it. So I'm going to take my text tool and I'm going to draw a text box and I'm going to define rule of thirds, which is the point of interest, POI, is placed in a intersecting grid that is off to a corner instead of in the middle. And this makes the design more interesting. Oops. Middle. This will make the design more interesting. So instead of putting that point of interest right smack down in the middle, what we're going to do is we're going to place it along the horizontal line or vertical line or where the lines intersect. So I'm going to, with my pencil tool, show a grid here in this draw box. Oops, and I think I don't have a color. So I divide it into 3 equal sections, both vertically and horizontally. And along those horizontal vertical lines, or where those lines meet, I want to put my focal point. So I'm going to create a focal point. I think I'm just going to use my drawing tool, and in my focal point, I'm going to create a smiley face with this thicker brush. And I'm going to put it right here where those 2 lines meet, instead of just right in the middle, because I'm using this rule of thirds to place my focal point. Okay. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to find an example online. I already found one, so I just need to import my image that I found online. I'm going to hit that little plus sign, go to my photo library, and I found this image of Joker, and he's on the stairs here from the movie Batman. And this is a great example because you could see he wasn't just placed right in the middle of the photograph, but he's actually placed off to the side along that horizontal line to make the scene a little bit more interesting. What you're going to do is you're going to find your own image, and then you're going to complete framing, leading lines, and then scale, grouping, isolation, and break and pattern. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.